Hi children, welcome to the class 1 of volume 2, that is the name of the chapter is heights and distance and chapter 22. Children, here angle of elevation and angle of depression we are going to learn here. This is also regarding with the right angle triangle. Here ABC is right angle triangle. Let AB be the tower or a pillar or a tree, whatever it may be, which stands vertically. Now here we are considering this as AB. Let AB be the tower, even it can be a minar, even it can be the pillar, whatever it is, standing on a level ground. Now BC is the level ground. At a point C on the level ground, here a man is standing. Here a man is standing and weaving an object. Something object is here. A man means at this corner. Something object is there at this corner. From this point, a man is observing something object at the point A. The line CA, this line CA is said to be line of sight. Line of sight. And this is horizontal, I said. And this is vertical, and we have considered it as a tower. Now the line CA joining the eyesight of the person and the object is CA. This is said to be line of sight. This is called line of sight. The angle which is taken place, the magnitude, the angle which is between the horizontal and the line of sight is said to be angle of elevation. Angle between the line of sight and the horizontal is said to be angle of elevation. Therefore, in the given triangle ACB, the angle ACB is the angle of elevation. Similarly, now we will come to the second one. Here, this is also right angle triangle. Here A, B, C. The man is standing here. The man is standing here. And he is observing the object somewhere else here. Here. He is observing the object here. The man is standing at A and he is observing the object at C. Now the horizontal line takes place. Here horizontal means which is completely parallel to this ground level. This is horizontal line. Now the angle between this horizontal line and the line of sight, the man at A is observing the object at C. This is line of sight. Line of sight like this. Yes. Now the angle have been situated here. This is angle of depression. Angle of depression. This is angle of elevation. Elevation. Because here also the same thing takes place. The angle situated between the line of sight and the horizontal. Always for the ground level, the horizontal line will be parallel like this. Yes. Children, one thing you should know. Here these two lines are parallel to each other, means this line of sight acts as transversal line. Now here this angle and this angle are alternate angle. Always the alternate angles are equal when the lines are parallel to each other. So whatever the degree it is taken place here, whatever the magnitude it is taken place here in the name of, means in angle of depression, that will be equal to this because alternate angle. That is nothing but angle of elevation here. Means if this is 30 degree, this also will be 30 degree. If this is 60 degree, this also will be 60 degree. Now here with the exercise 22A, we are starting with angle of elevation and angle of depression with this problem. Now here you can understand, children, most of the problems we will be with tan. Otherwise, we can have some conversion with cos or sin. But we know the value of tan. In your clock book, always you will have the trigonometrical values of sin, cos and tan. So here we know that for the reference angle opposite is perpendicular and this is always hypotenuse. Here also hypotenuse. Here also this is perpendicular and this is base. This is base. Now let us start the problem. Now children, listen. Here I am selecting the first problem. I am not going to write the question, just I will start with the answer. The height of the tree is root 3 times the length of its shadow. Find the angle of elevation of the sun. Children, here let me consider this. This is the tree AB. AB is the tree. Okay. Now here this is the horizontal line. See. And this is the sun. Sun's elevation like this. Okay. Now here sun's elevation drops because sun is always above and we are below, right? So here this is the angle theta, this. Let it be theta. Let me write later. Now here we have it. Let AB be the tree and then BC is its shadow. Correct? Shadow. So AB, what they have given? The height of the tree is root 3 times of the length of its shadow. So according to the statement, tree BC is equal to x, then tree AB will be is equal to root 3x. And let this angle of elevation be theta. This is the thing we have to find. Now children, listen. We know that opposite to this reference angle is perpendicular and this is base and this is hypotenuse. Now let me write down AB by BC. What is the AB? Perpendicular by base is equal to, perpendicular by base means this is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to, what's the AB? AB is root 3x and this is x. Correct? Yes. So now substitute root 3x by x. Now x get cancelled with x. So tan theta is equal to root 3. We know the value of root 3. Tan theta is equal to tan 60 degree. Tan get cancelled with tan. Theta is equal to 60 degree. Now, what is the angle of elevation? 60 degree. Now, let me be with the third problem. Children, I can't write the question on the board. You have to read. Just I'll read for you. You also with your textbook, please go through. A ladder is placed along a wall such that its upper end is, children, such a type of problem with the Pythagoras theorem we have come across. But here the questions seems to be same, but it is not same. A ladder is placed along a wall. Wall always straight line. Never the wall will be like this or like this until you have a creative constructions. Now here the wall is here in this case with the trigonometry, heights and distance, always the vertical means vertical. So here a ladder is placed along a wall such that its upper end is resting against a vertical wall. The foot of the ladder is 2.4 meter from the wall and the ladder is making an angle 68 degree with the ground. Find the height up to which the ladder reaches. A ladder is placed which is end, rest, upper part of the wall. Now this has reached here. This is the ground level. Now with the ladder and this ground level makes an angle 68 degree according to the question. Now let us call this as A, B, C. A, B, C, and they have given the foot of the ladder. This is the foot of the ladder, and this is the top of the ladder which rests against the wall. Now the foot of the ladder which is placing over the means ground level makes an angle 68 degree, and from the foot of the ladder to the wall gives you 2.4 meter. 2.4 meter from the wall. Now we have to find up to which the ladder reaches. We have to find this AB, means length of the wall. We have to find out. Now let the length of the wall be AB. This is opposite to reference angle. This is perpendicular and this is base. Now let us be with the problem. Now we know well AB by BC, that is nothing but perpendicular by base, tan. What is the angle? 68 degree. 68 degree. What is the AB? We don't know. AB by BC is 2.4 meter is equal to, and from the Clark table when you find out, please go through, check it out. That value of tan 68 degree is 2.475. Now AB, the length of the wall is equal to 2.4 into 2.475. When you multiply, you will get 5.99400. Multiply and get the answer. So AB is equal to 5.94 meter. The length of the wall is 5.94 meter. Now let me be with the fourth problem. The fourth problem says that two persons are standing on the opposite sides of the tower. Let AB be the tower. Two persons are standing. Here one person and here one person is standing on either side of the tower. Opposite side of the tower. Not on the same side, on either side. They observe the angle of elevation of the top of the tower to be 30 degree and 38 degree respectively. So let me have the ground level like this, right? So let us call this as C and this as D. Now this is angle of elevation with 30 degree, and this is with the angle of elevation 38 degree. 38 degree. Now 38 degree. Find the distance between them if the height of the tower is 50 meter. The height of the tower is 50 meter. We have to find the distance between these two persons. That is CD we have to find out. CD means BC plus BD. Now children, look here. First let us be with. Anyway we know that this is the vertical line, means it gives you 90 degree, 90 degree. That's no well. Always we will deal with, in trigonometry we will deal with right angle triangle. Now in triangle ABC, angle of this is angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Okay. AB is equal to 50 meter. Now what we have to find? BC is equal to question mark. Now yes, AB by BC. This is nothing but perpendicular by base. This is tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular. This is 50 divided by BC. Now substitute. Tan 30 degree means that is 1 by root 3 is equal to 50 by BC. Cross multiply. BC is equal to 50 into root 3. Now substitute the value. BC is equal to 50 into 1.732. When you multiply, you will get 86.6. 86.6 meter. We have got the BC. Now we have to be with the another triangle. That is in triangle ABD. That is AB is equal to 50 meter and angle ADB is equal to 38 degree, and that's all. We have to find AB by BD. AB by BD means perpendicular by base, that is tan 38 degree is equal to AB is 50 divided by this is BD. We have to find out. Now tan 38 degree is nothing but 0.7813 is equal to 50 by BD. Children, BD cross multiply. BD is equal to 50 divided by 0.7813. 0.7813. Children, clue I will give you. Division I have done. But I want to do you by yourself. Now look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So BD is equal to 50 and 4 zeros to be taken. Right? Divided by 7813. Now BD you will get, that is that you will get that's the thing. After division 63.995. So BD can be taken as 64 meter. Now we know that CD is equal to BC plus BD. That is CD is equal to 86.6 plus 64. This is when you add up, you will get 0.6, that is 150.6 meter. Children, few problems I will send you through the PDF and you have to try out. First thing is you should read the question carefully and the right figure has to be taken. In case in the opposite direction means the tower is here, one person stands here and another person stands here. The same question can be taken, both the persons are standing on the, means always like this it takes. The angle moves towards the 90 degree will be greater. So this is 30 degree and 38 degree. In case the figure is on the same side of the tower. If the persons are standing on the same side of the tower, it is like this. So now according to this problem, this is the right figure. All the best.